One pour, one canvas, the endless flow in color. For today's painting, I'm working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas with a Dutch pour technique. I begin with a full base coat, making sure the surface and the edges are evenly covered. This step takes time, but it sets the stage for everything else. I wanted to use a warm palette that feels rich and bold, deep magenta, warm and cool reds, orange, pink, and shimmering gold. These shades together create contrast, warmth, and just a touch of glow. A quick note on colors. Many viewers ask me for exact names, but I often mix my paint to create custom blends. That means the colors you see here may not exist straight out of a bottle. I prefer adjusting shades until I find exactly what I want, so what you see is always a little unique. I pour each color across the base, layering them in sections. Then with the air dryer, I guide the paint outward. The goal is to let the colors move naturally instead of forcing them into a design. The base coats consistently make a difference here. If it's too thick, the top layer won't spread as smoothly. As the colors spread, I use the air dryer to push gently in short bursts, guiding flow without blowing the paint completely off the canvas. It's a balance of control and freedom. Too much push and the details disappear. Too little and the paint doesn't open up. And the magic of pouring is that no two results are ever the same. In this one, the flow came together into what looks like an autumn tree, warm, full, and glowing. Stay with me until the end to see how it unfolds. And nothing goes to waste. The excess paint that spills over the edge is collected and reused to create acrylic pour jewelry. Every canvas gives me two art forms, one large and bold and one small and wearable. As the last details settle, you can see the image take shape. The colors stretch into branches, the gold shimmers like falling light, and the whole canvas begins to resemble an autumn tree in motion. It's always amazing when the paint chooses its own design. This pour reminds me why I love fluid art. It's satisfying, unpredictable, and every canvas tells a new story. Thank you for watching all the way through. If you enjoyed this piece, please like, share, and subscribe. I post new acrylic pours every week, and I'd love for you to join me for the next flow. And remember, stay creative and keep painting.